Right, so this is an example when an M pattern gets too extended and therefore the movement to the neckline, upwards to the neckline, is not possible. Obviously we will mark this as the neckline. Sometimes, guys, could be also the wick here. You will see it more like an area. Right, so we are on the daily chart at the moment. The pair has been doing some wild swings and looks like it's touching the 21 EMA. I'll just go on the 8-hour chart because I can see better swings. So we see that the price is going down a bit. What is it? The move is too strong. Is it worth it to take a slingshot? Okay, guys, and by slingshot I mean this one that I've shown you before, which would be sort of like this, okay, taking on the move down. But obviously we have to wait retracement at least to 38.2% or 0.5%. At the moment nothing is happening in there. The price looks like it's continuing on the way down. I will wait. Let me see actually if how extended it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third leg on the other way around, and I try to see that normally at 0 minus 0.618 something happens, some sort of switch or retracement happens. 2 or 3 things can happen in there. So I'm still on the 8-hour chart. Looks like there is a switch on the way up. Does he want to go to the neckline? Well, we don't know. We have to check a few things now. I proceed a bit more and I see that possibly, alright, he's rejecting the 21 EMA. At this point, what he wants to do, okay, I see strong candle down. The MACD is also down. When the MACD is down, guys, what you do, please don't go straight away for a sell, for short sell. What I will do, obviously now, let's make this bigger. The candle now made this move up and then went all the way down and closed back here. I would just prepare an entry, I would say there. Let me see if it is suitable. And obviously before doing that, before preparing the entry and putting the targets, what I will do, I take the FIBO on the other way around, this way, as you have seen in some of the previous video. And minus 27 and minus 618 generally are good targets. Most of the time they works, so I will mark them that way, guys. So when I remove the FIBO, you will still have this visual target, right? So I can remove the FIBO now, and I keep this target that way, so you can see. Let me prepare the stop loss, I would say, a little bit on top of this high here. And as a first target, I would put this, and as a second target, I would put this. So this is the minus 27, this is minus 618. Now, the point is, I want to see if I get a list filled in there. Okay, on the way down, it should go up again and fill me. So I would do that. Looks like it's just done that. And let's say that you missed that trade. What could happen is sometimes, okay, if you got filled here, then the first target was reached already. But look at that. Possibly there was a second fill in there for some people that have missed. Well, barely. I would say no. When I do backtest, I would say always no. But we got filled in there anyway. So the first target was reached, minus 27, and the second one was minus 618 of this FIBO, which I will take again, guys, to show you. As you can see, minus 27, minus 618. Not exactly the same point, guys. It's just it is what it is for a possible target, and that's the end of the trade. And some of the type of patterns can manifest also on the 4 hours, for example, and you can take it from there. For example, guys, if you see this one, you would see another small double bottom, and possibly would you expect that it goes back here and goes back up or continues down? You don't know, but I can just show you quickly what will happen. I'm also curious, as you can tell, guys. Sometimes it goes back there, retest it, sometimes goes back, retrace and goes back up for another slingshot with a swing, and sometimes it goes back down. So you'll have to see what type of price action. Obviously, the pair is in a strong downtrend at this point, because look what it's done. It's done 2 slingshot at the moment. So I hope I've illustrated the point of the M pattern when it is too extended and all the dynamics that can happen